Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
What's it? The sixth technology Polo, pushed right here for the primary time in the United Kingdom after an outstanding debut abroad remaining 12 months. Constructed on Volkswagen's stiffer, lighter MQB platform, in a configuration shared with the Seat Ibiza, VW's new supermini is significantly longer and wider than before. It's decreased, too. Now, not that the Polo has been converted into something overtly carrying, beyond the brand new, deadpan headlights, a frame-colored lip at the top of the grille and a strip of scalloped bodywork that runs from just in the back of the front wheel to the rear lighting fixtures, it's commercial enterprise as standard. You could now not purchase a Polo with best 3 doors, either. The Polo has continually been satisfied to go away the thrills to others, though, that specialize in more prosaic topics that are of greater importance to most people of its customers. As such, VW has been at pains to highlight the fact that this vehicle has more brute capacity than some hatchbacks inside the elegance above, at 351 liters, and also functions a gamut of protection generation, which include blind spot detection and emergency braking, that's trickled down from the Golfing. The engine lineup is a combination of turbocharged Euro V-compliant TDI and TSI engines, with the addition of a 64 bhp obviously aspirated petrol that serves as a reasonably priced to ensure access point. Volkswagen expects 95% of buyers to go for petrol, that's a statistic of its very own making, and now not simply because the Polo fits a power plant that treads gently. The turbocharged 1.0-liter TSI on offer comes with either 94 bhp or 113 bhp, and it's the latter, coupled with the non-obligatory 7-velocity twin-take-hold-of gearbox, we've tested right here. In the meantime, VW's 1.6-liter TDI is available with both 79 bhp or 94 bhp, and is coupled entirely with a 5-pace manual gearbox. The variety starts off evolved with S-trim, 8.0-inch touchscreen, 14-inch alloys, DAB, that is succeeded by means of SE, 15-inch alloys, frame-colored trim, then Beats, 16-inch alloys, tinted home windows, Beats audio device. Subsequent up is cell, find out navigation system, chrome-plated interior trim, climate manipulate, sports seats. Earlier the new Recharge line, which provides a body kit and such luxuries as stainless steel pedals. What's it like? Internal? Barring some scratchy plastics, it's extraordinarily grown up. A bit dour, even though the vibrant dashboard percent inserts to be had on a few trim tiers would undoubtedly lighten the temper.